friends, how are you? I wanted to make sure that you guys knew about this Illuminations website that's put out by NCTM, the National Council for Teachers of Mathematics. They have all sorts of pre-made lesson plans and some really awesome interactive pieces that can utilize technology in the classroom with our kids being one-to-one, without like getting in the way of actually learning math, right? Because that's the thing. We want to find tech that enhances the student's understanding and doesn't detract from it. So the web address that you should check out is illuminations.nctm.org. And through the Illuminations website, it's searchable. So over here on this side, you can see that you can search the site. You can search for just lessons or just interactives. And their interactives are pretty cool. I'll show you the one I used today. So you can search by content area in terms of which mathematics breakout you want to use. So here's some geometry for high school students. That's what I teach. And when I searched that, I could see, oh, hey, here's this content that I'm teaching right now. And this, for example, is a Flash applet right here that you can use to explore different triangle congruence theorems. And students can click on the different pieces and make triangles out of those pieces. And I was really impressed with this. The students have picked it up really quickly compared to like GeoGebra. Tried to do a GeoGebra with the same content last year, and it just kind of got in the way of them forming good understanding and making good connections. And so this helps them explore like different congruence theorems. So there's lots of really great things on the website. In terms of it's searchable, you can find things to explore content, you can find things to help them make connections with different content, and there's pages and pages and pages of it. So anyway, great resource. Used it in class today. The kids did really well. We got through more content using a different website last year. So this is definitely something that you should check out. And plus, like, it's pre-made stuff, right? So that's like the best part.